Hello friends, welcome to Navaratna's channel. I'm your friend and your astrologer. This channel will provide you information and solutions on astrology, Vastu Shastra and numerology. From today, we are starting on Nakshatra series. As we know, Ashwini Nakshatra is the first Nakshatra among other 28 Nakshatras. We will know what is Ashwini Nakshatra and reveal its secret. Please stay tuned. Now we'll understand characteristic of a person who is having planet Jupiter in Ashwini Nakshatra in their chart. See, first of all, we have to understand what is Guru Graha. Guru Graha represents knowledge. Guru Graha represents wisdom. He is called the Guru of Devatas. Guru also called is a Karaka for growth. So even Karaka for growth in the sense the economy, the growth of a general life or even general market is being seen from a planet Jupiter. Guru is also Karaka for spirituality. Guru is Karaka for fates. So what is fates? Generally, fates are being related to Guru. So when Jupiter is placed in the first house of a person, the person tend to be a little obese. So you must have seen person who is little huge, obese. All are the characteristic of Jupiter. Since you know the Jupiter is the biggest planet in the galaxy, so it's a huge planet. Jupiter also represents religion and generosity. So generosity is a donation giving capacity of a person. Now he's come in Ashwini Nakshatra. So what is Ashwini Nakshatra? Ashwini Nakshatra is a nakshatra of healers. So they are derived from Ashwini Kumar. So Ashwini Kumar are the doctors. So what are actually the what is the application of their energy is always to heal or help people at the speed of horse. Means these type of people will always try to complete their task in a time bound manner. They are always in the hurry and they are always on the move because the nakshatra is denoted by horse, so they're quite agile people. Now, Ashwini Nakshatra is having a Jupiter. So, what will be the characteristic of a person? See, Jupiter being a planet of wisdom and knowledge in a Nakshatra of Ashwini of healers makes person very, very wise person. Such known people are known for their knowledge and wisdom, and their tendency is to help or heal people in any field, and because of that they are respected in society. So such type of people may be knowledgeable people in any field, so because of that they will get immense respect. These type of people are generally having a blessings as they come with a purva sanchit jnana. See, what is Jupiter? Jupiter is jnana, and in the nakshatra of Ashwini, as per a Kalpurusha Kundali, Ashwini nakshatra is brain. So by default, when Jupiter is in Ashwini nakshatra, such type of people will have a intense knowledge of purva sanchit, that is of reincarnation, you can say. So these people will have a distinct knowledge of subject and which is not common in all. That can be Ayurveda, astrology, Vedas, medicine, etc. They will be highly generous in donating essential or of medicine to the needy. See, Jupiter being a nakshatra of Ashwini, will always, Jupiter being a generous planet in the nakshatra of Ashwini, will try to help people in giving or donating things to needy or required, because a basic attribute of a Ashwini nakshatra is to help or heal people. It is a nakshatra of medicine. So in when Jupiter is coming here, by default, such type of people may be running some NGOs to help people for medicine, or you can say they can be one who will donate people clothes, food, etc. These type of people will also try learn about nutrients and spirituality. See, basically, logically, if you understand the subject, here Ashwini Nakshatra is of nutrients, and when Jupiter is Nyan, so when Jupiter is coming in Ashwini Nakshatra, such type of people will always have an obsession or in interest in nutrients of herbs, so they will try to learn about nutrients. They will, since Jupiter is a karak of spirituality, so such type of people will also have a divine knowledge of of spirituality. For example, like Sadguru, or you can say one who is a priest. Some people who have many followers, they for their word of their wisdom. So most wisdomful people, where people can take knowledge from, and from knowledge they can get healing, or with the knowledge of Sadguru or with the knowledge of saint, this person can get their things cleared or cured. Now, in the phase of Guru Mahadasha, what will happen? These people will become very, very famous in their society just because of their knowledge and wisdom. They will have the grace. So during the Mahadasha of Jupiter, what will happen is people will have a lot of respect for them because Jupiter gives jnana to the person, and because of jnana and their wisdom, people, society people or people around will always take an advice from such person. Now this Jupiter is having a aspect or good aspect or a yoga with planet Sun. What will happen? See, what is planet Sun? Planet Sun is government. It is authority. And when Jupiter is a Karaka for Nyan, so such type of people can be seen as a judge, scientist who have done their PhD. They can be HOD of medicine. Here, teaching has been a priority because Karaka or Mahadasha is of Jupiter, where Sun, Jupiter is a head and been expected by Sun may give him medicine as a planet of Ashwini. So such type of people will be HOD of medicine. They can be of HOD of some social organization, as Sun is also showing you social approach, or you can say they can be associated with World Health Organization, professor of medicine. Even they can be good as a Sun is a karaka for law, and which is law is for the government, and one who has done his PhD in law. So those type of people who is a law graduate, or you can say someone who is practicing law, etc. Now, what will happen when this Jupiter is been expected by Guru Graha is expected by Mars, Mangala Devta? See, Mars is a Karaka for energy. Mars is a Karaka for your muscles, and Guru is a Karaka for your Nyan. So, Nyan of muscles or Nyan of energy may end up into Guru is also a professor or a teacher. So, what happens is when teaching is of energy and teaching of athleticism, such type of people become the best physiotherapist professor. They can also be coaches of international team, gym instructor, kung fu masters, arm trainers. Such type of people will always have a seeking of nutrients plus energy, how to develop energy. So this type of people become a motivator. So generally, Guru is also a motivator in a nakshatra of healing plus energy. So such type of people do very well as a motivational speaker, motivational gym coaches. They can be international coaches or national coaches where they will have a lot of fame when this Jupiter is been aspected by Mercury, planet Mercury. So Guru Devata is a Karaka for Jnana and Mercury is Karaka for information accountancy. So any subject where Jupiter and Mercury is not independently, it is a Saraswati Yoga, because when information is taken in the form of a knowledge, such person become very much professional in the subject. So such type of people can either be a CA chartered accountant, their knowledge will be depth in accounting, they can be company secretary, they can be very well doing MBA in financial management. You can even say they can be very well as a because Guru is also a professor, a teacher. So generally, this type of people can also do very well as a IT professor. As IT professor, uh, now if the Jupiter is having an aspect of Moon, see what is Moon? Moon is your plane mind. Having an aspect of a Jupiter makes person a very spiritual person. Such type of person will have a lot of interest in divine knowledge. It is an independent Gajakesari Yoga. Such type of person can be a very good as in a nutritionist, as a moon also represents vegetables and eatables. Now, when this Jupiter is having an aspect of Venus or in a good yogas of Venus, that is Shukra. The Shukra is entertainment. It is also your creativity in a aspect or a yoga of a Jupiter, which is Nyan. So such type of people become very much good into classical singers. They can be a good classical dancer. They can also be a very good architect who design temples, or you can say a lot of architects who are into designing of some mythological things, etc. So when this Jupiter is having an aspect or in a very good yogas with Sun, with Saturn, what will happen is, see, Saturn is a form of a planet which will try help people, of people who generally who are of lower class. And what is Guru? Guru is your knowledge. So such type of people may have become good into human right experts. They will fight for human rights or lower people. They can also be a mechanical engineers or mechanical professors. See, metal is pertaining to mechanical, or automobile is pertaining to Saturn. Mechanical as in metal, and our automobile is metal plus Ashwini Nakshatra, which also denotes horse. So and with a Jnana. So such type of people may be very good automobile engineer lecturers. They can very good automobile designers, or a lecturer who will try to give knowledge how to design cars. They can be a very good archaeologist. Archaeologist is basically one who study about history and old things. So Saturn being a old planet in the jnana of Jupiter, we tend to take subjects which are of old, old subjects like archaeology, etc. Now this Jupiter planet, that is Guru Devata, has been aspected by Rahu Grah. See, Rahu Grah, what is Rahu? Rahu is actually chemicals, it is drugs. So now Guru is giving jnana of chemicals, jnana of drugs. Such type of people becomes very good biopharmaceutical professors. They can be a very good chemical engineers, plus we can say professors, because your Guru is there. So Guru will always try and have an attitude of a person of teaching these things, teaching to people. So they can have a lot of knowledge on poisons, like a person who is into moreover into subjects of biopharmaceutical professors, where biology is also pertaining to Jupiter and pharmaceutical is pertaining to Rahu. But such type of people have to be very much, they are quite selfish people. They will, because it is a Guru Chanda yoga which is happening. So such type of people will always take advantage of their knowledge for their own benefits. Now, when this Jupiter is having a yoga with Ketu, or you can say either with a yoga or aspect, Ketu Graha is basically Karaka for moksha. Jupiter is a Karaka for knowledge. In the nakshatra of healing, which is also a Ketu nakshatra, makes a person of a sannyasi. Such type of person will always have Vairagya Vritti, a giving attitude. These type of people I've seen always try going into Hatha Yoga, that is a yoga for final emancipation or moksha. They can become a teacher or HOD of healing organization. Now, even this zoology subject where your animals are there, so animals is pertaining to Ketu, and that and the subject Jnana is pertaining to Jupiter, so they can be zoological teachers. But the basic mentality of such people will always try to be try to be like devoted. They can be spiritually very active, and they are sacrificer type. Thanks friends for watching this channel. I hope you like the information which I have shared. In case you have liked the information, please do hit like button and do subscribe. Thanks for watching.